Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to view all the photos that have been shared in a WhatsApp group. Whether you're looking for some great memories or need to quickly find an image, this guide will help you locate all shared photos with just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure your app is up to date to access the latest features. Once you're on the main screen, go ahead and open the group chat where you want to see all the shared photos. Now, when you're inside the group, you'll want to tap the group name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the group info page, where you can see details like participants, settings, and media shared within the group. The next step is simple. Look for the section called Media, Links, and Docs. When you tap on that, you'll be taken to a gallery of all the photos that have been shared in the group. From here, you can scroll through the images, download them, or even share them with others. And that's it. You've successfully viewed all the photos shared in the group. It's quick and easy to access, and now you won't miss out on any pictures shared by your friends or colleagues. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more WhatsApp tips and tricks.